Hey guys, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for that perfect gift for this fall or winter, I have definitely found the right one for you. Bellueve candles are great for year round. I love the scent and I really appreciate that it's not overpowering. Normally candles give me a headache if they are too strong, they are too sweet, but these from Bellueve are perfect. I love having one in my office, one in my living room, everywhere. And honestly, I love the toasted vanilla, but with these scents, I don't have a favorite one. I can be burning all of them at the same time and they all smell delicious, unique, and fabulous. I highly recommend these. This is more on the natural side since it has a blend of pure essential oils, and this is soy wax blend as well. So it's way better than many others. You are going to love the scents. You are going to love the variety and how long they last. I highly recommend these candles, and that's my point of view.